Oh, now this is the final two.
Let me show you something.
Please pay attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. Galactic regulations require that all carry-on items be safely stowed beneath your seats. To fasten your restraint, use the yellow strap to pull the belt out from the right side of the seat and snap the belt into the buckle on your left. For your safety, remain seated throughout your flight with your restraints securely fastened. Please watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados, con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Do not put on your flight glasses until instructed to do so by a crew member. One final reminder, smoking and photography are never permitted on any Star Tours flight. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a Star Tours agent. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
You ready? Oh, I could sit in the middle, yeah, I guess. There's no one really here, so yeah. I get a perfect row. Oh. Here? That's fine, that's fine. It looks good. I can see it. Thank you.
Passengers, this is flight control. Please stow all personal items in the compartment below your seat. Remain seated throughout the flight and supervise your children.
Okay, calm down.
Please, get a pull the yellow strap. Row 3, please. Row 4, please. Yellow strap, yellow strap. Row 5.
Thank you. It's comforting. It's fine. It syncs up good, so. I'll try and wake you if anything crazy
Star
happens.
Tours, 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401. That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me. You don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am Steve Previo.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Stop right there.
Don't you?
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
They're a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
I've never seen that human before. Oh dear.
Don't be a fool. You are no match for the power of the dark side.
I don't like the look of this.
What are you doing here? Let's stay low. Use it to track it. Put your shields up. If they work,
Thank the maker. And you, this instant. Now, I'm getting us out of this dreadful place. The transmission.
This is Poe Dameron with the Resistance.
Commander Dameron.
3PO? R2, what are you doing there?
Well, sir, it all
Rhetorical question. Listen up. There is someone aboard your ship vital to our mission.
The spy. Is this mission sanctioned?
Let's say it is. Anyway, rendezvous at the coordinates I'm transmitting to R2. Good luck, and you know the rest.
The best sounds rather perilous to me. I don't think we can... This is suicide! We'll be smashed to pieces! In the event we don't make it, I want you to know that you have been the most wonderful passengers. Pull up, Arthur! Pull up!
all pilots, this is it.
You're right, Arthur. This mission cannot fail. Activate the laser cannons.
Watch it, Red 9. You got 2 tires on your tail.
Arthur, the odds of successfully taking out 2 TIE fighters at once is approximately better than I thought. Well done!
All right, squad. Start the attack run. Remember, aim for the cannon.
What are you waiting for? Fire!
We did it! Thanks for your help, Star Tours.
It has been an honor.
Steve, 1401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight.
That's my ship. I want to explain
Thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you on another flight.
The captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Goodbye.
Bye. That was nice. Thank you.